Now let's visit one of Kentucky Farm Bureau's outstanding young farm family contestants, the Harton family.
Yeah, I grew up around farming. My father didn't farm, but I have an uncle that farms, and my grandfather used to farm, and I guess that's where I got my interest in it. And I worked with him a lot whenever I was a kid in middle school and high school. And I started raising my own tobacco crop when I was 15. I had started with an acre, and by the time I was out of high school, I think I was up to 4 acres. But I paid for a lot of my college that way. Stop right here for a minute, take a look at this tobacco. Well, dark tobacco varieties are a more heavy-bodied and robust type of tobacco than burley is that most people in the state of Kentucky are familiar with. And the curing process is the main difference. It's hung in the barn, and we build fires under it using hardwood slabs and sawdust, and usually 2 to 3 fires is sufficient to cure the crop, and each fire may burn from a week to 10 days, and that helps to draw the moisture out of the leaf and to cure it, and it also helps to add flavor and finish to the leaf that the buyers require. Well, my farming operation consists of some row crop and also dark fire tobacco. We raise corn, wheat, and soybeans, as well as 15 acres of dark fire tobacco. I'd say that what I'm the most proud of about my farming operation is that although it's small, we are growing, and what we have accomplished, we've done from scratch with little assistance from anybody else. And that gives me a sense of pride to have been able to start with basically nothing and accomplish some level of success so far, and hopefully more going forward.
I'm just proud that he works so hard for our family and all the hours he puts in just for us and to help us make a living, and just that he's doing what he loves to do and that he's happy with what he does. Before Cooper was born, I guess I played a bigger role. I would help move equipment and run errands and things like that. Of course, since I have a full-time job, and now that I'm taking care of Cooper when I'm not at work, it's more limited, but I still help out with moving things around when I need to.
You know, I think that Farm Bureau's role in agriculture is an important one. It's a good organization for farmers to be involved in, and it kind of gives farmers and agriculture as a whole a voice as a group, so that their concerns and needs can be expressed to our legislature. Farming definitely is more than just a job to me, although it's definitely a business and has to be treated as such. It's also a lifestyle to me as well, and one that I enjoy and want to raise my family around and give many of the same experiences that I've had to my children as they grow up.